Hi, big girl. Did you just get back from the doctor? Yeah, you got your 4-month shots, and you're being such a good girl. Aren't you? You only cried for about 10 seconds, and since then, you have been a perfect little angel baby. You have been so good, haven't you? Yeah. Yeah? Why are you such a good girl? Oh, is that why? Is that why? What do you want to do here? Oh, stick your tongue out. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, bless you. Hey. What? To you? Are you kicking your feet up at me? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Oh, Stretch, yeah, you just have such a rough life. I understand. Oh, you're so cute, too. You say, Mommy, enough with the video. I'm tired. Just let me sleep. I'm tired. Oh, my. Oh, my. Okay. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera. See ya later. Bye. See ya. Hi, sweetie. Did you just wake up from a nap? Did you? Are you excited to see your mommy? Hello. I missed you while you were napping. Oh, did you miss me too? Oh, I'm glad. I'm glad. Yes, I know. You sure are a good little girl. Yeah, good girl. Are you trying to imitate your mommy? Oh, Stretch. What are you doing? Are you showing me your hands? Wow. Wow. How many fingers do you have? 10 fingers? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Oh. That's funny. Well, how many toes do you have? How many toes do you have? Show me. Oh, just some sleeping bears on your toes? You don't know how many you have because they're covered up, huh? Otherwise you would count them. Oh, I think there might be 10. 10? Okay. Oh, wow. Well, is there anything else you would like to say today? Oh, very insightful. Okay. Well, thank you for sharing all of your wisdom today. I really appreciate it. Hey, that wasn't wisdom. What was that? What was that? Okay, we better go. You say bye-bye. Bye, camera. Talk to you later.